Building the BioCharger requires a lot of hands-on assembly processes. We certify our employees to both J standard soldering certifications, IPC 610 and IPC 620 certifications for the circuit boards and the cable harnesses. We put a lot of on-the-job training into each and every employee to be sure they're well trained, they're comfortable, and they're certified to do so.
As a company, as BioCharger, we wanted the best manufacturing out there to meet tomorrow's demands that we're expecting for the BioCharger and not sacrifice anything for our clients. This is a product that we believe is very beneficial, to our clients, our customers, and we wanted the product from the manufacturing stage, to show that care, that passion about the BioCharger, and that starts with the people.
We have in-process controls for each circuit board that's made that goes into the BioCharger, with each cable that's made that goes into each BioCharger, and in the final assembly. Every single BioCharger that we build is built repeatably and consistently, regardless of which operators do the assembly. It's documented, each and every step, each and every sub-assembly are documented by the engineers to ensure that each person that builds the BioCharger builds it the same exact way every time.
There's the obvious sides of why you want a high quality manufacturing process. It goes way beyond just the product not failing and you're working in the field. It's a level of confidence in the product. We've had it when we've brought potential buyers down to have a look at the floor. When they see how it's manufactured and built, that risk in their mind is removed. They know, they see the quality.
One test that we do for each cable harness is a pull force test. We pull a cable contact to where it fails, and we measure that failure in pounds, and that is a specified range that it must fall within. Each and every circuit board, once they're manufactured, they go through an automated optical inspection machine to ensure component placement, accuracy, polarity, the solder joints are proper, all using an automated optical inspection machine.
When we started this whole process, and the three partners looked at this crazy idea, and we had no idea where this ends up. All we knew is that there was a lot we didn't know, and we had to learn and figure out. Fortunately, we had a lot of design experience in doing this kind of thing. We see the success, we see the acceptance, the tides are changing. We just see the BioCharger growing in strength. We see today a certain percentage of the factory floor. Tomorrow I think it's going to be a much higher percentage that we're going to be taking. We definitely believe in the future of where the BioCharger is going.